Okay, good day today. I basically got my butt handed to me today, and that's always good for keeping your ego in check, and it's also good if you choose to accept it for what it is and to learn from it. So I'm positive about it. Yesterday, I think I told you I still had one trade on when I made the video. It was trading in a channel and it ended up breaking out, and it went pretty far north, and then I got out. So I got out on top. Yesterday I was kind of break even, but I came out ahead. So that was good stuff. Today, I learned some lessons. I traded some things that I shouldn't have traded. They were already, they were 50-cent charts, and they were already above. One of them was like at $100, and some of them were pretty close to $100. And I don't usually trade those stocks. My criterion has me south of that, but I thought, well, I'm in demo mode, I should just trade it. But what I really should say is that I still have beginneritis, and I'm still doing things I really shouldn't be doing, and it was basically just confirmed to me that I shouldn't be doing it. So got my butt handed to me a couple times, and it wasn't a huge loss or anything. It's not thousands of dollars, but still, it's more about the bad habit. And if you remember, Abraham Lincoln was asked, like, if you were going to cut a cherry tree down, like, what would you do? And if you had 10 hours, he said, I'd spend 9 hours sharpening my axe, and he only spent the last hour cutting it. So that quote has stuck with me for a long time, and I've used it in a lot of different scenarios with business and life. And basically, when you're doing paper trading like I am, I feel like that's what I'm doing right now, is I'm really focusing on getting all the right habits in all the right places and getting addicted to the right things, so that when I jump in with the real money, that I've got everything in place. So it's really just a matter of having some patience with yourself, letting yourself learn, let yourself make mistakes, realizing where those mistakes were, and so that you can carry them into the future when it really matters. So this one, I played this one twice. I put some trades on here. I thought I saw it was going to break a new low because the Dow was down, and it was down, and it was going down, and I put a trade on, and even in the same candle I got knocked out. So it was like, oof, those tails will kill you. It's a 50-cent chart. So I waited for a little more, and I saw that it was supporting, had the same level as before, and I got knocked out the very next candle. So that sucked. This one, market was up, gap up, and it was Dow Jones was down. It looked like I had a ceiling there and it was going to go back down, but it went ahead and did the opposite for me. It climbed back up, and then it gave me 5 candles of a ceiling again, and I thought it was going to go down, and it did not. It just kept climbing, and it's still climbing. So got my butt handed to me there twice. And then this one, I basically got knocked out on, I think my tolerances were just too tight. It looked like, I don't mind losing if the system I have says these are the 7 filters, and if it passes these 7 filters, go ahead and make the trade. And I did, and the market just moved the other way. Like, that's going to happen. Not a big deal. So that's what happened here. It was a nice clean thing, a nice clean trade, as opposed to the other two, which I shouldn't have been traded for in the first place. This one was actually of the system, and it just went against me, and that's okay. I broke off early. Usually I only trade for about 2 hours in the morning anyway, so I'm just focusing on the morning, and then I get back to my regular life and family and kids and business and everything. So yeah, this was a good one. This is a good day. Yeah, I lost overall, but my losses were mitigated. It's not the end of the world. $300, so it's just it is what it is. Take some lessons. I'm not going to win every day of the week, so it's more about having more wins than losses. So this just happened to not be a winner day. That's all.